Okay, so here are my snowflakes, large, medium, and small. So for the large one, it's always best for you to fold the paper long ways when you do it. When you trace it out, always fold it because these are really hard to cut out if it's not folded. And then the other two are wider. So I folded here's the paper, and then I folded it hamburger ways because it's wider for the last two. So just so you see that, I wanted you to know how to fold them. Make sure that you hold everything in place when you're tracing, and it'll look like that on your paper, and then you just cut it. You want to hold it tightly as you're cutting. Make sure everything stays equal in the way it's supposed to. You can even refold down the middle again. And when you do these little ones, just go slowly. That way you don't want to go too far in. All right, and there it is. So now all you're gonna do, having it creased makes it a lot easier to glue it together also. So you're gonna fold it forward in. Don't fold it down because then it won't pop up like you want it to, but just do like a practice holding before you glue it. Make sure that you get them both equal, and then you can let one go and just put a little bit of glue. Don't go too far down, and then you're just gonna do what you did a minute ago, bring it over. And like I said, with the other one, when the glue's still real hot, you're able to slide it up and down to make sure that you've got it together, and then you can press it down to make sure that the glue holds. So with this one too, I usually do 6 to 7 of them, but usually the magic number is 6. So here's another one that I had done, and you're just going to follow the same as with the jewels template. Just kind of push it down a little, get it right on the side. Do the same for the other one. Make sure that they touch at the point and that it all looks equal, even right here. And then you just push it all down together. So don't really worry about that because that's the point of the whole look. And then you just add the rest of them. Alright, so this is the last one. I got all the other ones on there already. And again, you're gonna fold it in right here. I'll try to, but my arm gets in the way. I just turn it. You're gonna do like this. You always want to work with the paper first, so do this with every one of them. I mean, it's not necessary, but I like to do it just so that way the paper starts to crease itself. And then you can, you know, just fold them in on each other. And like I said, don't push it down just yet, squish it or anything, because you want to be able to still slide it around to make sure that it all comes equally that way. So as you're going through with these, you don't want to keep pushing them down like you did the first two. Just kind of leave them like that, and then you're just going to set it in and make sure that this and this meet at the edge. I mean, at least that's what I do. If you find another way that helps you, it's perfectly fine. I'm not saying this is how you have to do it. This is just what helps me to keep everything uniform. So you just slide this one in. Try to be careful when watching both sides. So I kind of went ahead and did both sides at one time, but it's probably better that you do one side and then come back in with the other side. But that's it. You don't have to worry about these sticking together because that's what you want. And I mean, in the middle, you can put a mini one in the middle. It gives it a really pretty look. I've even done like a bling ball right here, or I mean, just turning it around. Also, you can do whichever that you want. But that's the final look of it. So I hope that helps you. Let me know if you need anything else.